kick it, Jackie Chan.
What's going on, guys? Battery Shanks House here. Welcome back to the channel. The biggest thing that we're trying to accomplish today, we're actually going to be messing with this guy back here, this fuel pressure sensor, or fuel low side pressure sensor. This guy right here. That's your typical clip. We'll unplug that. Alrighty, perfect. Oh, yeah, 12 right there. Perfect. Let's see. Okay, so that's on. So we got that. I'll try these vice grips. I don't really want to use these. This set of tools here really isn't the best set of tools, and to be completely honest, I don't want to use them. Put that on there like this. Let's see here. Keep this one way. Yeah, see, I knew that was gonna happen. So we got what we needed here. It's loose. Now, take this out of there. Just do it that. That's right there. Move that out of the way. Okay. This is probably gonna spray. Smell the gas. Yeah, it's just pouring out of there. Some extra gas in there. Yeah, so this is the old sensor right here. Grab this guy. So the only difference here is this little tiny, very, very tiny hole right there. You can see there's not one on there. So this is the new part. This is what we needed, and this is the old one. Screw this back in. Yeah, so this is pretty tedious, but apparently these sensors should have been replaced and need to be replaced before you start doing any type of modification to your Ecoboost. And I haven't had any issues. I haven't had any check engine lights because of this, but I want to get this out of the way. Apparently this can cause eco boom, and I don't particularly want to go eco boom, so we're gonna change the sensor out. I'll put this back on here to keep that from moving. Push that back down. Reconnect the sensor. Back on properly, and that should be that. Now, reeks like gas. Okay, so let's see here. Here's the part number. Part number is BU5Z9F972-B. That's the one you're gonna want to get. Don't get this one. It doesn't have a little hole. So if yours doesn't have a little hole, do not get it. But we got it changed. We're gonna put this stuff back, and basically what you want to do is you want to prime the engine before you try starting this here. Hop in. Cycle the engine a little bit. Do this maybe 4 or 5 times. We're gonna fire it up. close this up and go for a ride and see if anything feels different or what. Wait till we get it out on the open road and we'll see what happens. I don't know if it's gonna mess with my air to fuel ratio at all, or if anything abnormal should, or anything different will happen. I don't know. It doesn't really feel any different. Put my seatbelt on here. Now, if you guys are noticing, the one thing that I don't understand, granny shift issue. Now this is also on my stock tune. This isn't even just while it's tuned. Right now we're on the 93 tune and this is my third revision. But if I can turn, let me turn up here and show you guys kind of what I'm talking about. When you do a full wide open or pretty close to wide open throttle acceleration, I'm only getting about 500 RPMs per gear, and it doesn't really make sense to me why that is. Doesn't make any sense at all to me as to why that is. We'll turn here, and I'm just gonna do a quick little pull, maybe. And actually, it didn't even do it that time. Getting real close to this car here. It didn't do it that time. So I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't do it. It's just, it'll shift at, you know, 3K or 3,500, wherever. And then it only drops down about 500 RPM. So it's granny shifting. I mean, I don't understand why it's doing that. My air to fuel ratio looks fine, and I've actually been having issues with the air to fuel ratio. And I didn't know if it was because of the tune or if it was because of my catless downpipe I just put on. I couldn't seem to figure that one out. Like right there. You saw it shift at 3K and then shifted right down to 25, or upshifted to 25. So I don't know. It doesn't make much sense to me. To my understanding, the air to fuel ratio should go to 20 when you're driving and you let off the gas. Well, right now I'm at 14. Let off the gas, 14, 20, and then it goes up to 20. Sometimes it'll go up to 15, it'll drop down to 13, and then it'll go back up to 20. Like right there, you guys saw it shoot down to 11. And that was under me braking. So I don't know. I don't know if that's normal. I wish I could get a better pull for you guys, but it's raining right now and that's not gonna be able to happen. So yeah, so I think that's gonna wrap it up for the video. Basically, it was just a Lowside fuel pressure sensor. You need to change these in your cars. There's a cop behind me. Hopefully I'm not getting pulled over. That would suck. I'm gonna keep this recording though, just in case. Oh yeah, thought we were gonna end it here, but I'm not gonna end it here. Got Mr. Policeman behind us, so. Yeah, it's nasty out right now. Oh, didn't pull me over. But that's it for the video. If you guys all enjoyed, make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm only at about 190 subscribers right now, and I'd really like to get that number up. I've been kind of stagnant and sitting at that for a while. So if you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like if you really enjoyed. And as always, peace out.